Earlier today, the executive governor of Abia State, Governor Alex Choma Otti, flagged off the reconstruction of the Ohafia Arochukwu road. Now, that road is one of the most busiest road in the whole of Abia State. And yes, the road is bad. Yes, for a fact, you can say that the road is bad and not motorable again in some areas. And the governor has finally remembered the good people of Ohafia and Arochukwu and has given the road out for reconstruction. And today the flag off ceremony was a massive one that the great people of Abia were just so happy, and there was so much jubilation. You could see the way he was welcome at the opening ceremony of the flag off. It was really appreciable of them to see that that road is going to have a new face in Abia State. This is one of the numerous jobs the executive governor of Abia State is actually doing for the good people of Abia State. And you will say that he is not going for a second tenure after Abians have suffered so much in the hands of bad governance. Anyway, here's a highlight from that one. Don't forget to subscribe.
Abia State, bueno. Tell you that this governor that you have is a blessing from above, because he has made sure that there is nothing that will stop this road, not to hit the timeline that this road has been set to meet. He has made sure that he has provided us with every single thing that will make this road come to life. Ladies and gentlemen, to tune in together for the very amiable governor, the working governor, I can tell you that by the time we are done with this road and with the specific international standards, this road will be done and it's going to be world class, I assure you that. The most energetic and performing governor in Nigeria, Dr. Alex Choma.
You will agree with me that this project is more than just a road reconstruction initiative. It is about creating an entire ecosystem of interconnected opportunities that cuts across agriculture, commerce, tourism, education, and industrial manufacturing. Today's program and what happens in the next 18 months and not 24 months, when this project is expected to be delivered, will be fundamentally strategic to our long-term development agenda. I had an engagement with the CEO of the construction company IAC yesterday, and we had agreed to cut delivery time from 24 months to 18 months. General Muhammad Buhari, an intervention agency set up by General Sani Abacha, awarded a contract for the construction of the 71.8 kilometer Ohafia Arochukwu road. The project started smoothly from the Ohafia section, but stopped abruptly following the demise of the then military head of state and the eventual scrapping of the PTS. The expectation of our people was cut short, and the misery lingered almost interminably. Being a federal road, previous administrations in the state considered that it was better to let the federal government fix it. With many considered haphazard attempts made by Abuja to undertake the reconstruction around 2012, funds were reportedly approved, but for some mysterious reason, nothing significant happened, and the people continued to live with the daily despair of passing through what several respected newspaper columnists described as the worst federal road in Nigeria. So say that even though it is a federal road, it is in Abia State and it is used by Abia people. Because no nation should watch its citizens pass through the nightmare that our people have endured for several years.
The good people of Arochukwu Ohafia are indeed thankful. The people of Abia North appreciate you, sir.
Immense pride and gratitude that I stand on this auspicious occasion where we gather to witness the flag-off of the long-awaited road construction from Ohafia to Arochukwu. You are welcome. For as long as I can remember, the phrase has lingered in our local vernacular. meaning there is no easy road or route to Arochukwu. These words, often spoken in frustration, have echoed through the generations, shaping our collective experience with a sense of resignation. But today, under the leadership of His Excellency Dr. Alex Chioma Otti OFR, we stand on the brink of a transformative change.
Successive state governments have hidden under the pretext that the road belongs to the federal government to abandon the people to their fate. But today, our empathic governor, a governor who has the interests of the people at heart, has come to their rescue. This is a governor who believes that the well-being of his people is more important than the distinction between a federal and a state road. I thank you so much, Your Excellency.
On this note, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, let me formally welcome you to the flag off of the reconstruction of the 41.4 kilometer Ohafia Arochukwu road. We are sincerely taking this bold initiative in order to save the federal government the embarrassment this road has brought in before international visitors and tourists. But I must also say that even though it is a federal road, it is in Abia State and it is used by Abia people.